Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, I just want to remind you to never let the machines win.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I designed this in Tinkercad a long time ago, and I thought it would be a good idea to release it. And I also thought it would be a good idea to post it on Thingiverse. I know I have shown this on camera before, but I thought it was a good idea to put it on a Xander's Thing Thursday. This was printed in AIO Robotics PLA. At the time, it was printed with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. This was designed in Tinkercad.
It needs feet.
No, it doesn't! This originally printed like this, with some supports under the arm. But after the fact, I thought it would be a better idea to print it upside down with fewer supports. I guess I'll have to print it again. I posted this on Thingiverse, there will be a link to it in the description. And I would love for all of you to print it as well. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. And until next week, as always, print on. Hey everybody, why did the droid cross the road? Because he was programmed by a chicken.